What is Launchpad? How can I earn money from it? Hi guys, my name is Heidi and welcome back to Coineo. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use the interesting and the profit-making parts of Launchpad and Launchpool by participating and presenting the primary IEO crypto. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Launchpad is a platform for launching new tokens. Launchpad helps projects to progress on the cryptocurrency environment and to gain profit. Before introducing these projects on Launchpad, they'll get strictly reviewed by Binance Exchange Market. Investors can buy project tokens before they get listed on Binance. Then after buying the token and selling it, investors can have a good profit. At this platform, Binance coin owners can leave their coins to Launchpad in exchange for new tokens, or idiomatically commit. The important point is that users cannot buy tokens with just any amount of BNB. The amount of the token that goes to the users would be as much as the Binance coins that all users have committed. In order to make sure that new tokens will be divided fairly, there's a maximum amount of token publication for each user. For you to be able to participate on Launchpad Binance, you need to have your BNBs ready on your account at least 6 days before the selling process starts. The average of the amount of your Binance coin will be the maximum of your cooperation. At this time of participation, you can commit your BNBs from your spot wallet to buy new tokens. At the time span of 6 days, you can commit as much Binance coin as you want. For example, if you hold the average of 500 BNBs for 6 days, you can commit the same amount. Binance introduces the variable projects on its Launchpad, provides the users with complete counseling services on new projects. These counseling services makes the projects have more progress. When Binance introduces a new project, it gives the complete information on that to the users. This support from Binance benefits users as well as the projects. In 2021, Binance changed its Launchpad system from lottery mode to publication mode as the subscription kind. In lottery mode, there was absolutely no guarantee that you'd be able to participate in selling the tokens. You should have won the lottery to have permission to buy a new token. But now, you sign up on the system and up to a maximum amount, you're able to buy tokens. The new system leads to people with any financial situation be able to participate on Launchpad. This new publication system, in comparison to other Launchpads, has many advantages. Many Launchpads still use lottery system, meaning that participating on them and buying new tokens is not a simple thing to do. And what you need is just luck. But in Differ, on Binance, you can simply sign up to buy new tokens and commit your BNBs. When you commit your Binance coins to buy new tokens, you should consider your points, because each project counts each user's own specific hard cap. For example, you can only buy new tokens up to 49.26 Binance coins. Plus, only up to 0.5% of your BNBs will be participating on Launchpad. But if many users commit their coins to buy a token, there's the possibility that you can get more new tokens than you expected. So, only a part of the BNBs you've committed will be used to buy new cryptos. If the amount of your Binance coins were low, you could buy a small amount of the token. The important point here is that on Launchpad, you should stack your coins for a specific time to be able to receive new tokens. At this time frame, you cannot use your deposit coins or trade them. In any way, there's a heavy traffic on new cryptocurrencies and many people participating in Binance Launchpad. This can lead to creating buying walls and increasing new cryptocurrencies prices. But on the other hand, new token may be risky. So you need to do your own research as well. How to use Binance Launchpad? It is very simple. Enter Binance website. From Earn section, choose Launchpad. When you clicked on Launchpad, you see this page. Before, Launchpool and Launchpad were at different sections, but now they're both on the same page. If there's a new project on Launchpad, you can have access to it through this page and commit your BNBs. Also, the complete information on the project will be shown by clicking on them. And you see the information such as the project's website, white paper, the detailed rules and restrictions to participate in the Launchpad projects, research reports about the projects, and frequently asked questions about the project. At the type section, we can see the selling system of the token, which we have talked about before. Also, token selling price, the amount of the token that is offered to be sold on Launchpad, the single initial investment, hard cap for each user, the starting time of the Launchpad, BNB's committing time span, calculating time, and the final subscription of the tokens are shown. The first and the biggest benefit of Binance Launchpad is that everybody can participate in buying tokens. Second one is that all the projects that are listed on Launchpad have acceptable quality because Binance Exchange Market chooses the projects carefully and strictly reviews them. Third benefit is simplicity of usage. Even if you're a beginner, you can easily participate in selling tokens on Launchpad. There's a huge growth potential in new projects. You, as the primary buyer of these tokens, can use this opportunity and the time that the token was listed on Binance Exchange Market to sell it at a higher price. What are Launchpad's participation terms? The most important part is to have information on the Binance subscription calculating system and subtracting BNBs, which I'll put charts of it at the end of the video. How to participate in Binance Launchpad? First step, you need to create an account on Binance Exchange Market and authenticate it. Second step, specify the amount of the investment you'd like to put on Launchpad. In fact, your stock depends on your average BNB holding. This average is defined earlier. It means that you need to hold your Binance coin for some days, and the average of this holding shows the percentage of your participation capacity. While this is happening, you shouldn't stack your BNBs or trade them. Third step, after this time goes by, you should commit your Binance coins to buy new tokens. Step 4. Here you should calculate how many of the new tokens can you buy considering the committed BNBs. Last step is subtracting some of your BNBs. This amount will be subtracted from your account for buying new cryptos, and the rest of the Binance coins and the purchased tokens will be transferred to your spot account. One thing you should consider is that Binance Launchpad uses first come first serve system, meaning that anyone that can commit their BNB sooner can buy more new tokens. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video, share your experience with us on the comments. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.